News at 11.
Tonight, our first clear look at the narrative Brooks Houck first told police. This is Wave News at 11. I'm Jose Sosaya. His own words written days after his then-girlfriend, Crystal Rogers, disappeared. On top of that, a series of pictures that Commonwealth attorneys used as their exhibits. All this was enough to convince a jury Houck was guilty on 2 charges. Piles of Walmart receipts, pens, coins, credit cards, and a license, all left behind in Crystal Rogers' abandoned car. On the passenger side of her Chevy sedan, her smartphone and purse. Rogers, a then 35-year-old mom of 5, wasn't seen ever since July 3rd of 2015. 2 days later, her car is discovered on the Bluegrass Parkway. Fast forward to 2025, and a Warren County jury ultimately agreed the man tried alongside Rogers' then-boyfriend, Brooks Houck, had a hand in what happened to her. Prosecutors convinced jurors Joseph Lawson helped Houck get rid of Rogers for $50,000, a plan that was derailed when the car got a flat tire. And here is Exhibit 27 in this new set of documents released by the Commonwealth. Brooks Houck's 8-page recollection of where he says he was and who he was with July 3rd. Houck claims he'd spent most of his day checking houses and banks while working, spelling out, though, that Crystal Rogers would handle some of that business. But witnesses during trial poked holes in that argument, those business owners telling the court they did not see Houck that day. And in his own handwriting, Houck claimed he was at the family farm from 7:30 to 11:30 p.m., part of it helping feed cattle with his young son. But in court, digital forensic experts told the jury Houck had been there much earlier, also saying Crystal Rogers' cell phone was turned off manually at 11:57 that night and never turned back on. As Houck waits for his sentence for these convictions in 2 weeks, he's also ordered to hold off on selling his many properties as a civil court holds to have a hearing in October. Rogers' family has accused Houck and his business entities of trying to sell assets to, quote, shield them from being given as monetary awards in a lawsuit.